Welcome to IGCSE and A-level chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about past paper 2 questions related to electrochemistry. This is third part. Okay, you can watch first two parts, then you can watch third part. Clear? Okay, so here let us start questions. Here first question. May June 2010 question number 11. This question from June 2010. Okay, here this diagram showing this picture showing electroplating. Here a metal spoon, steel spoon is given. Okay, the diagram shows the apparatus for plating spoon with the silver. Okay, we have to coat silver on the metal spoon, and here four different statements are given here. Here we have to choose not correct, we have to choose wrong statement, so look here, silver would stick on the spoon because it is very reactive metal. Silver, very reactive metal. So this is the wrong statement. You know, silver, gold, platinum, these are lower in reactivity series. Okay, so it is not very reactive metal. It is wrong statement. Other three statements are correct. Okay, the electrolyte would be a silver salt dissolved in water. Electrolyte will be silver salt which should dissolve in the water. It is correct statement. The metal electrode would be made of silver. This metal electrode should made of silver. It is correct statement. Okay, the spoon should connect with negative electrode. So also it is correct statement. Only this is not correct. Okay, next one, question number 12. Aqueous copper sulfate solution is electrolyzed using inert electrode. Aqueous copper sulfate which contains Cu2 plus H plus OH minus SO4 2 minus. OH minus SO4 2 minus, it is given in the question. Okay, so here the question asking here to which electrode the ions are attracting during the electrolysis. Aqueous copper sulfate mean there is Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus, H plus and OH minus. So we had to choose here ions going to which electrode. You know, here negatively charged ions are going towards positive electrode. Positive electrode mean anode. Okay, and here positively charged ions like Cu2 plus and H plus, it will go to negatively charged electrode. Negatively charged electrode mean cathode. So this is the answer. Clear? Always you remember, anode mean positively charged electrode, cathode mean negatively charged electrode. Next one here, question number 13. The electrolysis of cells are set up here. Here three cells. Okay, their electrolysis. Here question asking here, each cell has inert electrode. The electrolytes are listed here. In which cell is gas formed at both electrode? Here three cells. So in which cell both cathode and anode getting gaseous product? Okay, so let us see here. Cell 1, aqueous sodium chloride. Aqueous sodium chloride mean, we know aqueous mean water, H plus and OH minus, and here sodium chloride mean Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so if it is concentrated, imagine here aqueous sodium chloride, it is concentrated. So hydrogen gas formed at cathode and chlorine gas formed at anode. So in both electrode there is possibility to get gaseous product. Hydrogen and chlorine, they are gaseous state. Okay, second one here, concentrated hydrochloric acid. Again concentrated mean here H plus and OH minus, and hydrochloric acid mean H plus and Cl minus. So here hydrogen H plus H plus. So at cathode there will be hydrogen gas, okay, and concentrated hydrochloric acid. So we had to choose here chloride. Chlorine will be formed at anode, hydrogen and chlorine. So both electrode there will be gaseous product. Molten, third one, molten lead bromide. Molten lead bromide mean Pb2 plus and Br minus. Okay, so here Pb2 plus. So at cathode here Pb, lead formed. Okay, lead, it is metal, it is not gaseous state. So third, there is no possibility to get gaseous product in each electrode, in both electrode. So 1 and 2, this is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, next one, question number 11. This question from November 2010. November 2010. Look here, the diagram shows the apparatus used an attempt to electroplate a metal ring with copper. This is metal ring. We want to coat copper on metal. We want to coat this copper on metal ring. Okay, so the experiment does not work. It did not work. Okay, here we had to make some change to work it. So what change need this experiment to make it work? To work this experiment we had to make some change. So what change? You have to choose the correct change. Look here, observe this diagram carefully. There is metal ring and this is copper. Also there is aqueous copper sulfate, bulb, battery. So what is the wrong here? I told you before, metal ring, something we want to coat, it should connect with the negative electrode, it should connect with cathode. Okay, so here this metal ring should connect with the negative electrode and copper should connect with positive electrode. This should connect with the anode, this should connect with this copper should be anode, metal ring should be cathode. So here correct answer here we have to reverse the connection to the battery. We want to connect reversibly, then only this work. Okay, look here, question number 12. This question related to electrolysis again. Here this question asking here when concentrated sodium chloride, okay, electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride. Okay, here this diagram is given. Okay, here negative electrode, positive electrode. Okay, and here X and Y are formed. These are the electrode. On this electrode some test tubes are kept. Okay, here one test tube and here another test tube, and here gaseous products are formed, and this gaseous product collected in the test tube, on the top of the test tube. So here this is one product, this is another product. So the question asking here, what is X and Y? What is X, what is Y? So which product formed at each electrode? This is the question asking. So we know here this is concentrated, it is concentrated sodium chloride. Okay, so we discussed many times concentrated sodium chloride mean there is H plus, OH minus, Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so H plus and Na plus, we know hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas will be formed at cathode. It is concentrated. Okay, OH minus, Cl minus. So it is concentrated, that's why not OH minus. We have to choose here Cl minus. We have to choose here chloride. Okay, so chlorine gas formed at anode. Chlorine gas formed at anode. So here hydrogen formed at cathode. Cathode means negatively charged electrode. Okay, chlorine formed at anode. Anode is positively charged electrode. Clear? So look here, this is negatively charged electrode. It is X formed at negatively charged electrode. Negatively charged electrode mean cathode. So here it will be hydrogen gas. Okay, and positive electrode, it will be chlorine gas. Chlorine gas. So X is hydrogen, Y is chlorine. Okay, X hydrogen, Y chlorine. So this is the answer. Clear? Next one, question number 13. Here substance X, here not mention what substance. Substance X was electrolyzed using an electrolytic cell. A colored gas, look here, colored gas was formed at anode. At anode, colored gas, not colorless gas. Colored gas formed at anode. Okay, a metal formed at cathode. Metal formed at cathode. Metal at cathode, colored gas at anode. So what will be the substance X? You have to say what is X. You have to get colored gas at anode, metal at cathode. Okay, so not aqueous. Look here, aqueous substance and aqueous substance solutions, something with water, there will be hydrogen gas will be formed at cathode. So not aqueous concentrated solution, not this type of substance. So you can remove first option. Okay, and third one, molten zinc oxide. After electrolysis of molten zinc oxide, zinc formed at cathode, oxygen gas formed at anode. So oxygen gas formed at anode, oxygen, it is colorless gas, but we need colored gas, oxygen colorless gas. So we have to remove third option. Fourth one, solid sodium chloride. Solid sodium chloride, it is insulated, do not pass electricity, we cannot electrolyze solid sodium chloride. So only this one, molten lead bromide, bromine gas formed at anode, bromine, red brown gas is formed, it is colored gas. Okay, and the molten lead bromide, lead formed at cathode. So this is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer, molten lead bromide, lead formed at cathode, bromine formed at anode. Okay, we have another question, question number 10 from June 2011. Okay, this question from June 2011, question number 10. This question saying which statement about the electrolysis of molten lead bromide is correct. Again one question related to lead bromide. Molten lead bromide after electrolysis, what will be the observation? Here you have four different observation with what will be the right answer. Look here, a colorless gas is seen. Look here, lead bromide mean Pb2 plus Br minus. Pb2 plus will go towards cathode, shiny metal form, lead shiny metal formed. Okay, Br minus, bromine will be formed at anode. Okay, we discussed in previous question, bromine, it will be red brown gas. So there is no colorless gas. Okay, gray metal seen at anode. Okay, here shiny metal or gray metal. Okay, so gray metal will be at cathode, not at anode, it is wrong. Okay, red brown gas formed at cathode, red brown gas will be there, not at cathode, it will be at anode. So this is the correct answer, red brown gas formed at anode. Clear? Question number 11, same year, question number 11. Okay, one apparatus arrangement given. Okay, this type of apparatus arrangement we seen before. Okay, this is concentrated aqueous sodium chloride, clear? Here the question asking here, what is the test of the gas formed at positive electrode? Positive electrode mean anode. Okay, so what is the test for gas formed at anode? So you have to know what gas formed at anode. Here concentrated sodium chloride. Concentrated mean H plus OH minus, sodium chloride Na plus Cl minus. So at cathode it will be hydrogen gas, at anode it is chlorine gas. Concentrated, so we have to choose Cl minus, we have to choose halogen, not OH minus. So there will be chlorine gas at anode. Okay, so at positive electrode mean anode, at anode chlorine gas. Test for chlorine gas. We discussed this type of question before. Chlorine gas, it bleach universal indicator, and it will turns to colorless. So here first one, it bleach damp litmus paper. Okay, it bleach. So first one, this is the answer. Clear? So these are the things we discussing in this video. Thank you for watching this channel. Okay, please subscribe, share to your friends. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Okay, and like the video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.